My name is Mike Murtha, and here at Adobe I'm a program manager for Defense Connect Online, a large service we provide for the Department of Defense. My background is active duty Army before I joined Adobe 6 years ago, where I was a signal officer for a field artillery battalion and then a striker brigade. A typical day here is very interesting because it's never typical. So I deal a lot with end users and collaboration stakeholders out in the combatant commands around the world, ensuring that they're successful in leveraging the service that we provide to them, Defense Connect Online. So most of my time is consumed with that. I also deal a lot with our internal Defense Connect Online team in all aspects of service delivery and enhancing and improving the service. Key trends that I'm seeing out there are convergence of capabilities. So a common phrase is unified communications and capabilities, and it has to do with all the collaborative capabilities that one needs to get their mission accomplished converged. So that would be things like web conferencing and chat, the ability to escalate easily from chat up to web conferencing, or to be able to use your inbox as the hub of your collaboration, seeing presence of individuals that are available for you to chat to. Social media, wikis, blogs, all of that kind of coming together in an essential tool set that DoD personnel require to get their mission accomplished. A couple of the other key trends would be the consolidation of services at a very high level. So in the past, where units and organizations would buy their own technology solutions and implement and maintain them on their own, now a lot of that's being taken over by organizations like the Defense Information Systems Agency, or in the Intel community by the Intel Community Enterprise Services Group. And they provide things like email hosting, in this case Defense Connect Online, web conferencing and chat, and also a lot of other services more in the cloud computing model. And then lastly, I would say mobile computing, especially in the Army. There's a lot going on with application development for applications that would help a soldier in their not only their personal life but also their work life. And so apps for the Army is a good example of that last year, where there were over, I think, 30 applications developed for different devices. And that's a big trend that we're noticing, and it's growing every day. Customer experience is extremely important. If a capability is not intuitive and easy to use and flexible, it's going to be discarded. So the first thing is requirements. If the requirements aren't met, then it's not. That's going to be a showstopper right there. But beyond that, if the tool is not very easy to use, then it's also going to be discarded. So it's extremely important that the customer experience is very good, especially with a younger and younger workforce and personnel coming in that's very technology savvy. So they expect to utilize capabilities and tools that they can use in their personal life or out on the internet. So one aspect that that customer experience management is very important, and what I deal with is the web conferencing component, Adobe Connect. And we always hear comments like, "Oh, we just like the coolness factor," or "It's so flexible." What that really means is that it's usable. So whatever the mission is for that person or their organization, they can tailor that environment to meet that mission. And it's very intuitive, very easy, and they use it to a great extent. Currently over 30 million minutes per month.